If Facebook Messenger is showing a black screen on your iPhone, don't worry. This is a common issue, and I'm going to help you fix it step by step. Usually, this happens because of a small software glitch, an outdated app, low storage space issue, or some display settings conflict. So what you're going to want to do is try these quick fixes ahead. First fix is to force close the Messenger app. Go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen and hold for a second. Now you'll see all running apps over here. Look for Messenger right here and swipe it up to close it completely. Now reopen the app. Wow, this simple refresh would probably fix the black screen already. If it's still not working, let me check the next fix with you. Restart your iPhone. You gotta do a quick restart to clear temporary glitches. Quickly press volume up, then volume down. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Wait for your iPhone to turn back on. Okay, now open Messenger again and check. If the screen is still black, what you're going to want to do next is update the app. Open the App Store, look for Messenger, and check if there's an update available. Go ahead and update it. Also check your iPhone software. Open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update, and install the latest iOS version. Great. Updates would fix compatibility bugs that cause this issue. Now, if that didn't help, give me a sec. We're going to clear the app cache. Open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage. Look for Messenger and tap it. Tap Offload App. This would remove temporary files but keep your data. After that, tap Reinstall App. If it's still stuck, you gotta delete the app completely and download it fresh from the App Store. Now let's check a special case. If the screen goes black only during video calls, this could be your proximity sensor or display settings. Go to Settings, tap Display and Brightness. Make sure auto brightness and screen timeout settings are not interfering. Also check your text size. Scroll down a bit and tap Text Size. Reduce it a bit if it's too large. For example, on my screen, you can do it by dragging the line to the left side from the right. Some users have reported Messenger fails to load properly with very large fonts. If nothing works, there's one last thing you should check. Open your browser to do Google and look for DownDetector. Type Messenger in search bar. Then check if Messenger is down or what. You can also see Twitter. If there's any trend like this, then issue is at server side. It means, if a lot of users are reporting issues, then the problem is not your iPhone. It's probably Meta servers. Anyways, these are the best ways to fix Facebook Messenger black screen on iPhone.